Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Google Whisk AI, an experimental tool from Google Labs, offers a unique approach to AI image generation by allowing users to transform photos into art and animated videos. Unlike many AI generators that rely solely on text prompts, Whisk emphasizes a visual first workflow, making it intuitive for creatives and anyone looking to explore new artistic possibilities. What is Google Whisk AI? Google Whisk is designed for rapid visual exploration and allows you to generate new images and short videos by combining up to three visual inputs. Subject, which is the main object or character you want to feature. It also has scene, which is the background or environment for your subject. And it also has style as the third visual input, which is the artistic aesthetic you want to apply, i.e., sketch, cartoon, or even oil painting. It's powered by Google's Gemini AI model, which analyzes your uploaded images and automatically generates detailed captions and Imagen 3 and sometimes even Imagen 4, which is Google's advanced image generation model, which then creates the final visual. This dual layer process captures the essence of your inputs, leading to creative and sometimes surprising variations. These are the key features of it. It has image-based prompts, which is the standout feature. Instead of crafting lengthy text descriptions, you use actual images as your primary input. This can be particularly helpful for those who find it easier to express ideas visually. It also has AI generated descriptions. Gemini AI automatically creates captions based on your uploaded images, which then guide the generation process. It also has remixing capabilities. Easily experiment by swapping out subjects, scenes, or styles to see a multitude of creative combinations. It also has intuitive drag and drop interface, which is designed for ease of use even for beginners. It also has high quality image and video output, consistent character generation, video generation, which is Whisk Animate, which is a more recent addition that allows you to turn your generated images into short animated clips. So, this is how to turn photos into art and animated videos with Google Whisk AI. First of all, we need to access Google Whisk AI. I'm just inside here, but you need to navigate to the Google Labs AI products page. I will just type in here like this. Just type in Google Whisk AI as you see and enter. You will likely need a Google or Gmail account to access it. Just sign up or sign in to your account. Now in here, you can choose your mode. You can either choose image generation, which is photo to art. This is the core functionality. You will typically see options to upload images for subjects, scene, and style. You can also choose video generation, which is Whisk Animate. If at all it's available, there will be a dedicated section or option to turn your generated images into videos with Whisk Animate. Now, let's upload your images. So for art, you just drag and drop or upload your chosen images for the subject, scene, and style categories. So for best results, this is a tip. Use clear images, and for subjects, a white or clean background can sometimes help the AI focus better. Now, go ahead and click on the generate button. The AI will process your inputs and create the new image or video. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on the complexity. Also now review and iterate. For art, if the generated image isn't quite right, you can adjust your uploaded images, refine the text prompt, or even use the inspire me or roll the dice features to get new ideas. Now go ahead and download and share. Once you are satisfied with your creation, you can usually download it as an image file, which is PNG or JPG, or a video file, which is the MP4 or GIF. These are some of the important considerations. Experimental phase. Whisk AI is often in an experimental phase or labs phase, meaning it's continuously evolving. Features and availability might change to even better features. Availability as of early June this year, Whisk AI is now available in 100 plus countries. It was primarily available in the US. While many Google Labs tools start as free experiments, some advanced features or higher usage limits may be tied to a Google AI Pro subscription, which offers access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, VO 3, and other premium features. Limitations is that videos are typically short, which is a few seconds and do not always include audio. Also, you need to note that for subject images, a white or clean background can often help the AI isolate and focus on the main subject more effectively. Okay, by leveraging Google Whisk AI, you can explore exciting new ways to create visual content, transforming your static photos into unique works of art and engaging animated clips. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.